Hi, welcome to another class. In this class, we're gonna talk about ClipBoard. Yes, ClipBoard works over the VM and host machine. This is a powerful tool for copy clipboard behind your workplace. This helps you strongly in your day-by-day. Let me show you how this works in our VM. First, we need to configure on device clipboard and select bidirectional, and other function is device drag and drop and bidirectional. So okay, now I can transfer behind the clipboard files and clipboard over the VM and host machine. Using the drag and drop, I can copy this picture only clicking and holding and leave here. So it's working okay. Other tool is copy the clipboard behind the machines. For it, I'm gonna copy this text. And here in your VM, open the notepad. Right button, paste, and all texts are here. I can copy links too, opening web browser for example, and copy this link. So it's working okay. So that's it. See you at the next class.